Hey, tech lovers! Big news today from OpenAI. After transforming the way we interact with AI through browsers and mobile devices, they're taking it one step further with the official launch of ChatGPT for Windows. This brand new app is here to make your AI experience smoother, faster, and more integrated than ever before. Let's dive into some of the awesome features that this app brings to your desktop. First up, the user interface. It's sleek, intuitive, and feels just like the web version, but with cool new optimizations for Windows. Whether you're a regular user or ChatGPT Plus subscriber, you'll find it super easy to navigate. But here's where it gets even more exciting. The app comes with multimodal capabilities. That's right, ChatGPT for Windows now lets you communicate not just with text but through voice and images. Imagine asking a question by simply speaking or uploading a photo for an instant analysis, all right from your desktop. Now, some of you might be wondering, how does the Windows app stack up against the mobile and web versions? Well, here's a quick comparison. Windows, optimized performance, multimodal interactions, and full system integration. Mobile, best for on-the-go use with voice commands and offline chat history. Web, perfect for those who want the latest experimental features like plugins and browsing with Bing. Each version has its perks, but the Windows app really shines when it comes to performance and versatility. And speaking of performance, OpenAI's GPT-4o is built into the Windows app, giving you blazing fast responses. We're talking a drop from 2.8 seconds to 320 milliseconds for voice command replies. No more waiting around. So, what does this mean for your daily life? Whether you're creating content, generating code, or just chatting, ChatGPT for Windows is about to change how you interact with your PC. With easy voice commands and smart image recognition, this app can help you multitask like never before. And the best part? OpenAI has more updates coming. Soon, you'll be able to process videos and even use deeper camera integrations. The future of AI on your desktop is just getting started. So, what are you waiting for? Download ChatGPT for Windows today and experience the next evolution in AI right from your desktop. I'll drop the download link in the description below. Let me know in the comments what feature you're most excited about.